much more solid. All right, now let's fly it around. I'm just gonna, there's 19th floor down once it crosses that wall. Apart from the deviation, you have to turn around towards the helicopter, okay? And see where we are actually. I hope I don't drop the helicopter. GPS position hold. It's pretty solid, man. And one thing that I found and love about it is that it is proving to be very reliable. You drink something, do something, you have a phone call, you can just leave your radio somewhere and see helicopter is just hovering there. So I'm just flying it around even in this confined space. But do remember that when you do that during flight, you're gonna lose the helicopter because it will just fall to the ground. Yes, I raised the same question. Now here is a very, very important thing that you might want to listen to